Here you go, guys. I just got the turbo back. I got it fully rebuilt. I shipped it out to some company that I'll provide the information in this description in Arizona. I'm actually very pleased. A few other people that I reached out to on some Facebook groups said great things about this company. And as you can see, they rebuilt my entire turbo. It looks brand new for something that's over 40 years old. The price range was $645 shipped back to my door. Yes, I know I could have gone with a newer turbo and upgraded turbo with newer technology, but remember, my car is fully stock. I want to keep it that way. I don't want to alter anything or start changing downpipes, even though that is a weakness in the car. But I'm getting ready, waiting just for a few more gaskets to start the installation of this and get the car back on the road. Stay tuned, guys. Hope you enjoy getting back my 280Z on the road.